The Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 is yet another flagship from Samsung, and it is one of its highest end tablets. It's priced at about $57,900 and it is meant for workhorses. Performance, productivity and entertainment is at the core of the Tab S4. And before I move on to the 5 reasons to own this tablet, let me quickly run you through the specs. It's rocking the latest Android 8 Oreo, it's powered by a 2.35 GHz octa-core processor, it's got 4 GB of RAM, and a massive 7300 mAh battery. You do get a fast charger, so you're quite covered. It has a 10.5-inch large Super AMOLED display with a really high resolution and an aspect ratio of 16:10. It's Super AMOLED, which pretty much is the industry benchmark when it comes to display quality. You get a 13-megapixel camera at the back with LED flash and an 8-megapixel camera in the front. And you get a quad speaker setup that is tuned by AKG and it is supported by Dolby Atmos. So, whether you're watching a video or playing a game, having all those 4 speakers really gives you an experience that no other tablet can really compete with. And it comes with the S Pen in the box, so it's a part of the package. You do not have to purchase it additionally, which I think is great. And they've really made it big and nice and round, so it's a lot more convenient to hold and it feels a lot more like a regular pen. And it has this keyboard connector port in the bottom, so you can easily stack it up with the Pogo keyboard, which is not included in the box. But that's pretty much what you need to complete this tablet experience. And this keyboard instantly converts your tablet experience into a PC-like experience. Think of it like a 10.5-inch screen laptop. And that brings me to the first and the topmost reason to buy the Galaxy Tab S4. It's the versatility, the portability, and the productivity of this tablet. And all of this truly comes out when you connect the Galaxy Tab S4 with the Pogo keyboard. That's when you get the most value out of this product. You get an instant PC experience whenever you want it. It's super easy to connect and mount, and there is some sort of magnetic effect. You'll feel it when you connect it. And the only thing that's left to do is to enable DeX mode. So right now what you see is the regular tablet mode in landscape orientation, but if you go into notification panel, you could go ahead and choose DeX mode. And you can see that I've already connected my mouse, so that's pretty cool. Okay, the minute you switch on DeX mode, it turns into this desktop experience. And DeX is just Samsung's own version of desktop mode for, devices like tablets and smartphones. And it's very similar to a Windows setup. You've got certain apps shortcuts on the home screen. On the left bottom corner, you've got all your apps. And then on the right edge corner, you've got your notification panel, your clock, calendar, and all of that. All your multiple tabs are also open right next to the recent apps key. Again, very similar to how Windows is, and you'd be very acquainted with it. They've tried to keep it pretty much the same way, so you wouldn't feel very lost. Now, there are certain apps that are still not optimized for DeX, and actually, when I say some, I mean a lot of them. So for example, this is just a random wallpaper app. It's called Resplash, and it is not optimized for DeX. And another app, to my surprise, that is not compatible with DeX is Netflix. I mean, I would expect Netflix to run absolutely normal. So if you were out of DeX mode in just your regular tablet mode, Netflix runs perfectly, but when it comes to DeX, it kind of loses it there. So yes, not all apps are optimized or compatible with the DeX mode, but for all your day-to-day application work on Excel, PowerPoint, Word, or even Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Slides, it's perfect. But I did struggle a lot with the limited keyboard width. I would recommend that you connect a bigger Bluetooth keyboard and turn on DeX mode. Okay, coming to the second reason to get the Tab S4 is for its pure entertainment delivery. A large 10.5-inch Super AMOLED display, quad speakers, AKG tuned, and a massive 7300 mAh battery that'll ensure that you never get too less of entertainment each day. Now, whether it's a video or music on YouTube, a movie on Netflix, or you're watching videos that you shot using the tablet itself, you get the best ever entertainment possible on an Android tablet, period. The third reason to get the Galaxy Tab S4 is for its build and design. It is definitely the most good-looking Android device that I have ever held in my hand. I mean, the glass back truly adds to a lot of sophistication and classy look on the device. And then you get this beautiful 10.5-inch large display. Now just think about everything that this tablet packs. A really large 7300 mAh battery, AKG tuned quad speakers, it's got a 13 megapixel camera at the back, and it's a really big display. And then it's got these connectors to, mount to your Pogo keyboard, and all of that in this really thin and slim package. I think it's a really good looking device. Okay, so heading over to the fourth reason is that it is self-sufficient. It's got a microSD card and a SIM card slot. So you can throw in a 512 gigs of microSD card, and basically that completely negates the use of an external storage. And there is a SIM card slot. So you can just, put that in, connect to your telecom operator, and, just use a Bluetooth headset to make phone calls. So yeah, even if you don't have a phone, as long as you have your tablet and a Bluetooth keyboard along with it, you're pretty much set for the day. And the last one's got to be the S Pen. It comes with the package, so it's in the box and you don't have to go and purchase it separately like you have to do with, let's say, the Apple Pencil. It's very integral to the entire use of the tablet, and it's got a lot of functionalities as well. Of course, there's screen write, so you can take a screen capture of anything and you can just write on it and share it immediately. It can also translate live for you, so if you just hover the pen over some foreign text, it's going to convert it into a language that you want, all real time. And of course, you can take notes as well. I'm a huge fan. I do it all the time at work. I do it even when I'm thinking about my next video that I have to make. A pen and paper is something that I need, and the Note just does that on the tablet. The Tab S4 does that very well for me, and which is also why I do have the Galaxy Note 9 with me as well. So yeah, once you have all your notes in place, it just syncs to Samsung Cloud, and you can just sync it across all your devices as well. So I do have a Note 9, and as you can see, I can then refer back to all the notes that I took using the pen on the Tab S4 on my Galaxy Note 9 and vice versa. So it's really handy for me. Alright, so overall the Tab S4 is one of those perfect devices to buy if you're looking to replace a laptop with the purpose of accomplishing very basic computing tasks. So as long as it's nothing very intensive like video or photo editing, I think everyday creating and editing documents or presentations is something that it can do with ease. Just that don't use the Pogo keyboard because you'll get tired. Get a more, like a bigger wireless Bluetooth keyboard along with a Bluetooth mouse. And of course, you've got the S Pen, and that just does a lot more things for me.